What it is, TN gang, it's your boy Trucker Miller coming out to y'all with a quick video. And y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Cause if you ain't with the squad, you ain't popping. You dig? Aww. So today I'm about to do a little surprise on the kids. They don't really know what's about to go down, but I know they're gonna love it. So, you know, y'all stay tuned. Y'all got anything y'all wanna say?
You know, vote for me. I'm the coolest kid in town.
Okay, what about you?
I'm the coolest kid in town.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But y'all stay around, we out.
You trying to do paint on your car?
Huh?
You trying to do paint on your car?
So, y'all got all those paints.
So we're gonna cut it?
Listen, hold on.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Hold on, wait on Lido. Where Lido?
Lido!
So guys, listen, can y'all imagine, right? This is the first time I'm trying this. Like, they've been asking me to try this. They've been asking me to try this car paint. They be watching a lot of YouTube. And I've been putting it off because I'm kind of scared. Like, y'all see how clean this car is? Like, hold on. Like, Lido, like, you think you should spray that on the car?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What if it don't come off though?
Yeah, you gotta wash it off.
I don't think it's gonna come off.
Oh, it will.
Are you sure about that?
Try it, let's see. Oh, what if it don't come off? Oh my God, guys. Oh. Oh no.
No.
Guys, they are going crazy, yo. Yo, what if this paint don't come off?
Oh, it will.
Let me get a little working too, yo. Oh, y'all got a lot of colors too. Shake it up. You gotta shake it. Oh man.
Can I have?
Oh man.
Can I have yellow? Can I have yellow? Can I have blue?
Oh man, guys, this is about to be crazy. They're painting my car, my baby. I'm about to cry. Oh my God. Oh my God. What are y'all doing? That's the best y'all can do?
Yep. Nope, that's not the best I can do.
That's crazy, yo. Oh man. Pop, you gotta spray it on the car. Gee. Oh my God. Nah, what if this can't come off, yo? I'ma need a whole new paint. Yo, I'ma need a whole paint job. Y'all not catching the back of the car? Oh man, y'all. Do I feel bad? Yo, I feel bad for my car, yo. I can't believe that y'all are doing this.
They're not doing that to the Prius.
What? Oh my God, my baby. Oh man. Yo, I can't even put my lights on. Oh man.
In the back, I can't do something.
Oh, Poppy, you messing up my lights, yo.
Yeah, that's
Oh man.
fine.
That's crazy.
Light it up when I'm doing it. I like.
Yo, this is crazy, yo. Can't believe these kids did this to my car. Oh no!
Jesus Christ.
Y'all think we could drive the car like this?
Yeah, yeah.
Well.
Oh no, y'all covered the license plate. The police brought the lockers up. Y'all did the tires too? Oh, hell nah.
Hell no. To the no, no, no.
We're gonna get that tire.
Oh, hell nah. Yo, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this video. Y'all let me know if y'all think we gonna get this paint off of this car. Because right now this car is looking crazy. Yo, like this car right now looks like a junk car to me right now. I don't even know if I want the car anymore. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and let us know what's going on. Yo! Oh nah! Bro, I won't be able to see out of the windshield. Oh no! Oh, yo, check this out. Oh nah, they're tripping, yo.
That's what we do in Daddy car.
Yo, look what they did. This is crazy, yo. Look at the license plate. Oh my God. Yo, I hope this paint get off the car, yo. Cause I'm gonna need a whole new car, yo. This is crazy. This is beyond me, yo. This is beyond me, yo.
This is awesome.
Yo. Oh my God. Yo, Lito. How much money you think it's gonna take to spray the car again?
Oh, trust me. I'm already spraying that.
Yo, you got paint all on your face, yo.
Yes.
Poppy,
I'm a monster.
you got paint all on your face and in your hair. Yo, so how much y'all think it's gonna cost to get this car repainted?
About 100 years.
What? Now, how much is gonna cost? What's the price?
I think it's gonna cost 50, 100. No, 100.
100,000?
A thousand.
$1,000? Okay, y'all let us know how much y'all think it's gonna cost us. Cause this is about to be crazy. I don't even got no more lights, yo. Like, this is crazy, yo. Oh my God. Oh man, guys, they're about to make me cry right now. Can't believe they're doing this to my one and only baby. Crazy. It's not funny. Do not. It's not funny, yo. Stop. Do not spray that on me. Stop. Do not. Do not. Do not. Do not. Stop. Stop. Do it on the car, yo. Nah. Yo, I tell you. Yo, stop, bro. These kids are wild. They're crazy, yo. Like, for real. Like, you see what they're doing right now? This is just crazy. Bad mischievous kids, yo. Oh my God. Did they really just do this? And they won't even stop, yo. Yo, what's up with you?
We're doing that to the car because remember, here's the white paint in case it doesn't come off. Maybe it'll fix it a little. But we're not gonna stop.
Yo, this is crazy, yo.